Hello everyone, my name is Luis Cano and I am a member of the NIC, the National Institute of Cardiology. Today I will share with you the workshop of healthy diet and exercises against heart disease. This workshop will deal with the prevention of heart disease in the adult population between 45 and 65 years of age in Mexico. Well, in this graph we can see the death rate from heart disease. How it has increased year after year in an alarming way. I want you to know the heart diseases where an unhealthy diet poses a risk of death. Cardiovascular diseases are a group of cardiac disorders, among which are considered coronary disease, cerebrovascular disease, arterial disease, hypertension, rheumatic heart disease, and heart failure. All of these diseases occur commonly in the adult population between 45 and 65 years of age. %80 of death occurs prematurely before the age of 70, almost always among the 45 and 65 years of age. So this segment of the population is very vulnerable to sudden death from cardiovascular diseases, including heart attack. So, unhealthy diet such as foods saturated with fats, flours, sugars, and excess of salt, among other junk food and drinks, coupled with all this to a sedentary lifestyle, represent a great danger for the adult population. It is very important for the NIC that the adult population receive these measures so that they can prevent premature death. Heart disease can be avoided with a healthy diet and gentle or simple exercises like walking, running, or swimming. We invite you to learn how to healthy diet is formed, and most important, learn to prepare and cook and consume them as soon as possible for the benefit of the health of your heart. For more information about this workshop, please contact us on social networks or by calling 2321002442. Thank you very much for your attention.